Okay, they're headed for the jump point. This plane is never gonna work.
Rocket!
Well?
Okay, I'm walking onto your vehicles.
We'll be right behind you.
Nothing to worry about.
Unless we cannot stop this unusually large man, then you're likely doomed.
Drax!
Good luck!
It was useless to follow me here. What is that noise?
Noise? No one's gonna stop rock and roll from existing.
What have you done?
What have we done?
I think we're jumping back.
Generator. It's the only way back.
There it is. We got the generator. Oh yeah? We'll see about that.
Rocket, get us inside.
We did that all the time.
Rocket, anytime.
Okay. Let me try this. You ain't just form. I hate movements.
Quill, we're here!
It's about time.
Of course it is about time. Have you not been paying attention?
Velveteen, make your stop lights.
We have him contained, but not
Look at Will.
Locking coordinates.
It's Epcot. Epcot makes these things.
Thanks, Terrence!
And welcome to the Guardians of the Galaxy.
We have no room in our ship for these new guards.
Drax, it's an honorary title. They're not coming with us.
I see. It is meaningless. Well then welcome to the Guardians of the Galaxy. Now where's that cake sauce?